So let's talk about the habit that you don't even notice anymore, constant throat clearing. You feel a tickle, a little mucus, and your brain says, clear it. So you hack, and it feels better for 2 seconds, and then the urge comes right back. Here's the problem. Every time you clear your throat, your vocal cords slam together hard, and over that causes more irritation. So you get stuck in this loop, more irritation, more throat clearing, even more irritation. So how do you break it? You don't power through it, you replace it. Next time you feel the urge, try one of these instead. Take a hard, strong swallow of water. If you don't have any water, try some saliva. Do a silent cough and push a little puff of air up through your throat, but no voice, then swallow. Or try this, a quick sniff through your nose, then a swallow, and repeat this a few times. If it still bugs you, maybe hum gently for a few seconds and then swallow hard. Outside of these moments, a few bonus tips. Keep a bottle of water with you so your throat stays moist. Notice patterns. Is the urge worse after certain foods, late night eating, or dry air? And when the urge hits, distract yourself. Change what you're doing. Move your body. Count to 10 before you do anything. This is a habit, and habits do take time to retrain. But if you're consistently swapping throat clearing for one of these more gentle strategies, you can see a big difference in a couple of weeks. I'm Dr. Morgan Yost, here to help you protect your voice and break the throat clearing cycle.